You ready for this? Certificates are bullshit.
Guys, I'm here with Ryu and we need to discuss something super important, and it's about qualifications. Loads of people, whether it's on Facebook, YouTube, Discord, wherever, love asking if they can get a certificate for completing a course. Guys, certificates are complete BS and they mean close to nothing, and we're going to explain why.
So we have a very popular hard surface modeling course called Hard Surface Jumpstart, which you can enroll in for free, by the way. Wink. And we had over 60,000 people in that program, and we haven't given out a single certificate because there simply wasn't any need for it. However, we had loads of our students getting jobs in AAA studios, starting their own businesses, getting freelance work, or simply building amazing portfolios. The only time a certificate is important is if you have absolutely zero to show for yourself, meaning you don't have a portfolio and you don't have a valuable skill set. A certificate is your only fallback for any sort of proof. But why the hell would you not want to have a portfolio or a good skill set? This is literally what sells your skills and knowledge of Blender.
If someone is scrolling by your ArtStation or your Instagram account and they see something they like, the first thing they're going to think is, damn, this guy is good, or yikes, this guy sucks. Nobody is thinking, this portfolio is good, but he doesn't have a certificate, so we can't hire him.
Yeah.
That is stupid. A certificate is nothing more than a useless piece of digital paper. A strong portfolio matters significantly more.
Now, before someone comes in here and starts moaning, no, I'm not talking about a certificate for studying law or becoming a brain surgeon. Look, I have a degree in law, and that paper would be probably useful if I wanted to become a lawyer or something worse than that. I can tell you that I don't even know what the damn thing is. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about your 3D skill set. The reason most people think certificates matter is because they aren't confident in their skills or portfolio. And a certificate is a way to achieve a level of instant gratification. They can go through a 4-hour course, learn absolutely nothing, still be terrible at Blender, but feel like they learned something because they received a PNG file on their hard drive that only their imaginary girlfriend cares about. The whole I need a certificate bullshit needs to go. Guys, whether you want job offers, freelance work, or just wanna get better at Blender, a certificate means literally nothing. Absolutely nothing. We get offers all the time, and we've even worked with big brands like Nvidia, and there hasn't been one single instance when someone asked us, where is your certificate? No one gives a shit. They found us because we had a strong and well-established portfolio, and that is something that takes time to develop.
Now, on the contrary, a certificate doesn't take any time at all, and that's why it appeals to most people. They get a quick dopamine rush thinking they did something when in fact their portfolio is still garbage and their skills still aren't where they need to be. Guys, I have a degree in mathematics. I spent 5 years studying it, and I can confidently tell you, if you asked me to go back and complete a complex calculus problem, I probably wouldn't be able to do it. I don't remember the formulas, I don't remember the theorems, I don't remember the subject that well. It's been years. But hey, I have a pretty piece of paper collecting dust on my wall. There are probably high school kids out there more competent at mathematics than me because they're simply more immersed in the subject. I'm not. However, I am immersed in 3D and Blender every single day, and although I don't have any sort of formal certificate, I've still been able to build a trusted brand, work with well-known companies, and have become an authority when it comes to hard surface modeling education. And that's because I have actual concrete evidence to show that I know what I'm talking about, not a piece of paper saying I do. As the old phrase goes, actions speak louder than words, and I encourage all of you to focus more on action and less on words.
So to sum it up, learning is important. There is nothing wrong with taking courses, but don't expect a certificate. Use what you've learned to develop your skills in the future. That's the best way to do it. And like we said, feel free to hop into our Hard Surface Jumpstart program. It's free and you will not be receiving a certificate because reasons. Use that information to progress further in Blender and build a strong, outstanding portfolio. Now get.
Catch you later.